type of video before on my channel, but this was it was more than a year and so months ago. So I just wanted to give you guys an updated tour. Sorry that I'm shaking, I shake a lot. Anyways, we're gonna start off in this corner of the room, which is my bed. I'm gonna try to show you things that are new compared to the old video, which I might not remember a lot. So if I repeat, I am sorry. So I got, this is definitely new compared to the old video, and I got that off of Amazon, and it came with one pillowcase, and then we got some more decor on the wall. I don't know if this is included in my last video, but I got some crystals. I got some rose quartz and some sage and some cute little knickknacks on that floating shelf, as well as this folding shelf's already been there. I just added real plants compared to last time, which was pretty much all fake. And then the decor in the background, that's all from Shein, which I also have a haul. I will try to link a bunch of these videos in the description box below, just to let you guys know where I got it from. But yeah, so right here I have my dream catcher, as well as a plant inside a macrame pot holder. So pretty. This plant is huge now. It used to be so small, but it was very pretty. And then we have my side table, which was also in the previous one, I believe. And then I have a pot plant, candle, and then a vase with some dried flowers. Super pretty. I could still smell it. Yeah, so that is that side of the bedroom. To this side of the room is the same thing, floating shelves. I don't want to like keep making holes on my wall, so I just keep it all the floating shelves in the same spot. But I did switch up the decor on there. Yeah, if you want to know where anything is from, just let me know in the comments below and I will comment back. But super pretty macrame. I think I had that last time, but I'm not really sure. And then we just have a basic fan and a laundry basket, which I wish I could put it in the closet, but I can't because my closet is so packed. I tried cleaning the walls, so please ignore the wall. I think it's just completely stained and I probably just need a new wall. But yeah, definitely that's just that side of the room is really plain. I guess with this iPhone, this new iPhone, it picks up all the dirt. But last time I did not show the inside because it was just really bad. It's still really bad. I have to organize it more. But yeah, this is the inside of my closet. This is the top shelf. Super unorganized. It's driving me crazy. But I'm waiting on a few things to organize up in here. So yeah, that is how the closet looks like, all packed with so much clothes. I try to keep it all like same hangers, but then I ran out of the hangers and I used white ones. Yeah, so I have to get some more. This side, which is gonna look like a whole hot mess. Don't mind my turtle's tank. I'm waiting for a new light bulb because I went out and I have to clean it. So I kind of want to do it all at the same time. And then those will go into the closet as soon as I get my shoe hanger organizer thingy, so I can have more room in the closet. But yeah, definitely don't ignore that. That's gonna not stay there. But yep, just like last time, I still have the floating shelves, different decor, or at least everything is like switched out and whatnot. I have, of course, this little shelf from IKEA, a basket with miscellaneous stuff, my printer that's also dirty, guys, hot mess. But yeah, my makeup with all my palettes, a whole bunch of jewelry that I have to throw away some because some are like rusted and stuff because, you know, they fake. But I need to put it on here. And then my makeup little section, some lotion, and then my favorite DC character, and some dried roses from my boyfriend, very first roses he got me, and then some decor up there. But yeah, and then we just, over here we have a bunch of plants. Hot mess. Look at Mikey. He's probably like, clean my tank. So bad. Anyways, so yeah, definitely it is all the plants on this side. The mirror that I had last time, everybody hates. They think they make them look fat, but I don't see it. But it could just be I don't know, mental. But yeah, it's definitely really kind of crowded over here, but I do have a small bedroom and I do like plants, and I really wanted to add more plants to my room. So that is that side of the room. Look at all those dying plants. Gosh, I've been doing a lot better. But yeah, this is this side of the room. So this side of the room is where technically my office is at. I didn't have this chair before, which I got from Amazon. It's very pretty white. Of course, it's white because everything has to match. The only down part is since it's white, it gets dirty a lot. It's the same with the desk, which I got it from IKEA. Of course, IKEA. Yeah, so this is just the top of my table. Not much interesting to look at. My boyfriend's hat. And then we're going to Disney this weekend. So I got some ears. Because I'm a 35-year-old woman with Disney ears. Well, 34, almost 35. Anyways, that's besides the point. So yeah, I just have a bunch of notebooks for work, for my bills. I have my laptop for personal and then laptop for work. And then I forgot to show you this side, which is also shown in my organization idea video. But yeah, I have all my arts and crafts and all that stuff here, resin stuff here. Here's a heater because lately it's been really cold in Florida, surprisingly. So I use it sometimes. And then here's my other dying plant. This was with me, how many years? 3 years, and it's finally like dying on me, which makes me sad. But here's some more plants. And then yeah, I guess this is pretty much all it. Do a quick overview of my bedroom, and yeah, it is a lot of stuff in here, but I don't need all this stuff, but I just really like anything visually appealing because, you know, I'm not very minimal, but at the same time I am, but not really, if that makes sense. Ooh, forgot. This is also new. Very pretty carpet from Ross. I have that in an upcoming haul, so I won't need to tell you the price. And that was also before. I'm going to get rid of that. I just don't want to get rid of it just yet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like my updated room tour. I am going to switch up a bunch of things here because I don't like how it's all decorated. I don't know. I guess I moved it a couple days ago and didn't like the overflow, but it's fine. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, bye.